Today we're going to take a look at the THORChain Take a Run, and this is actually the most visited token on CoinMarketCap. And when we look at it, they have 10 million tokens, 10 million. And today, yes, this is the most visited token. It's absolutely insane. Today, I'm going to analyze it, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it, and I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, what's going to happen next. So we come over here, and oh my goodness, this one is dead. It's dead, 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 dead. And you know what's really interesting? Back in the old days, we could see that this was a head and shoulders pattern. Look at what I mean. So you have your head, you have your shoulder, you have your head again, and when you break the neckline, basically what you do is you sort of project that. There's a pattern for that here in these things, but I don't know. My purpose, I trade more like this now. It's been a long time, and then it gives you take the target, basically, and it gives you approximately that. And that really used to work back in the day. And I don't do it anymore because the success rate is about 60% or 65%. So with the profit technique and the 85% win rate, we're at 85% wins. It's easy. Today, I'm going to analyze it, and I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, where it's going to go. But you can see this was a big, big drop for the run. And listen, it lost 84%. 84-point-something% of its gains. I don't know what's going on. I have no idea. And for me, these tokens are just trash. I'm going to tell you, my goal isn't to collect them. It's to make money with them. So I buy low and I sell high, like Pokemon cards. If I were collecting Pokemon cards, it wouldn't be to collect them. It would be to buy them low and sell them high. But now what's cool is that we don't need to travel to sell them at a card shop anymore. We do it online. And we do it with Crypto-Quebec because I'm passionate about crypto. I'm really passionate about it. But it's not for collecting. It's to sell them when they become more relevant and valuable. That's my objective.
So what you need to do is take your lower low and your Fibonacci to the high low like this. You can adjust it here. You'll have your wicks. It bounces. You come to the middle of the channel. There's a small bounce at 1.0, and it keeps going down. I think you're going to appreciate this. This is going to be the entry. It doesn't always go down. I don't know what's happening with this, but there's a lot of liquidation, a lot of selling. There's volume like never before on the run. There's really a lot of selling. People are shorting. Something's going to happen in the news. I don't need to understand it or read all the news. I just need to see the chart and understand it. I'm predicting something. It's bad news. I don't know. It's not, but it's bad news. Why has it lost 86%? 86.88%. And on top of that, here's the token. It's no longer searched for. Out of 10 million tokens, it's the run. No need to listen to the news and go into it. You get a vector, you bring them down from our trade. But you can't enter a short. It's impossible. You'll come back up. You'll see the price below the other. You understand? You'll see structures. But the Fibonacci tells us it's coming to 70 cents. It could come back up to 1.262, 144. Then it will be a good short, and you won't bring it any lower because the target is 87. I always work with 1.618, 2.618, 3.618. These are the easiest targets to reach. They are almost always reached. They are reached 90% or 85% of the time, but they are very, very high in terms of reached targets. So listen, here there will be a